So I'm going to be talking about how to make a badge. Okay, so firstly, we get this little metal bit and put it on this one, not this one.
Mm-hmm.
So you see, like, smiley face? You've got the smiley face here. You want it to lead to here. So put that in. Get your little picture. Put it there. Put this little plastic thin part and make sure it's not two. Same with the first part, which is the metal bit. Put that in here. Now, this part's the interesting part. You switch it like this. Pull the lever down. And then get one of these and make sure, see this zigzag? Make sure it's facing this way like this. Okay, I'll drop that down. Has to be straight, going this way, not that way, this way. And then do the same thing I did before, this. And then pull the lever down again. Drum roll, please.